YouTube. I'm back with another video. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas. And I hope you're having a safe and Merry Christmas. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple TV 4K. This is a device I've been wanting for a very long time. So let's get started. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop another video. Let's get started. So here it is, the Apple TV 4K streaming device. This is Apple's latest Apple TV 4K streaming device. This is the 32 gigabyte model. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR, HDR10, and Dolby Atmos. So here's the front of it. As you can see, Apple TV 4K. Let's check the back. As you can see there, you see it's let me zoom in for a little bit. See, it's got all your apps, Apple TV Plus, which is Apple's their version of Netflix, their streaming service. You got Netflix, Prime, Amazon Prime Video, HBO. I'm assuming that's HBO Max because I did not like HBO Go or HBO Now. I did not like those two streaming services. HBO Max is a lot better. You got Apple Music, Hulu, Disney Plus, and thousands of more apps. See, it supports HD, 4K, HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. And it's a 4K HDR version. Excuse me, 4K HDR 32 gigabyte version. So, we turn this around. And let's open it. I probably can open this with my hands. Let me see. Sometimes, yeah, look at that. I can open it with my hands. Don't even need. So there we go. Let's toss this to the side. And there it is, the Apple TV. Let's open the box. Apple's boxes for their products are so amazing. There it is. So you get this remote. It has voice control. Oh, excuse me. You get this Apple TV remote, is a voice control, and it's a USB, it's lightning cable charge, so you can charge it via lightning cable, which I believe comes in the box. It's got the basic buttons, menu. I think this is AirPlay, I'm not for sure. Microphone, volume up and down, and play and pause. And it also has the mouse track on there, so you can scroll. It's a invisible mouse track. So let's see. And here's the device. Let's peel this off. Yeah, it's heavier than the previous generation with the 1080p one was much lighter. This one is heavier, I believe, because of the extra stuff they put in, like the processor and stuff. You see on the back there, it's got 3 ports, the power adapter, I think it's a power cord, the HDMI in, and the Ethernet connection. You can connect this via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but I'm going to connect via Ethernet because you need a bit, as I have a gigabit on my ISP. I could get up to a gigabit or anywhere from 900 megabits per second to a gigabit per second. So I need that fast speed, especially if I'm watching 4K content. So yeah, if I was you guys, I would recommend you use an Ethernet and don't use Wi-Fi. Let's see what else is in the box. I believe this is this is the power brick. Actually, not power brick, power cord. It looks like the previous generation. Some Apple documentation, and Apple stickers right there. Some documentation. And here's the lightning cable, USB Type A lightning cable, not USB-C, because I have a USB-C lightning cable, but it doesn't have that has USB-C, but and that's what's in the box. This I was torn between this and a Roku Ultra, but I heard I was comparing the two, and the Apple TV by far is I mean it's all about personal preference, but the Apple TV 4K is really in my opinion better than the Roku Ultra. I don't think the Roku Ultra supports Dolby Vision. I think it supports Dolby Atmos, and it doesn't support Dolby Vision. I have a Dolby Vision capable TV, so I want to take advantage of that. And see, it's kind of glossy. It's easy to get your print smear on it. And it doesn't come with an HDMI cable, but I just got sorry guys. Just got this HDMI cable right here. So, and this was only like $10 on Amazon. So, if you guys buy this, it doesn't have it doesn't come with an HDMI cable. But anyway, like I said before, Merry Christmas, and be on the lookout for that PlayStation 5 unboxing and those gifts that I mentioned in my previous video. Okay, see y'all on the next one. Peace.